everyone, Jane here from jennyandteddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to do the quick tutorial. We are going to crochet the I-cord. The I-cord you can use in many kind of project, like to be your tie strap for the crochet top, crochet bag, and you can see the I-cord is quite flexible. You can see this, and it's very easy, beginner friendly as always. You can make them in under 2 minutes, and you can use any kind of a yarn and crochet hook size. And let's get started. In this tutorial, I use a 4mm crochet hook, and yarn that I use is DK weight yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and yarn weight you like, which are compatible with crochet hook size that the yarn label recommend. So let's get started. So the crochet I-cord, we will start with a slip knot. You can start the slip knot in any way you like. I just do it on my way. Start the slip knot, and then we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now after we get chain 3 already, we will insert your crochet hook on the second chain from the hook. First chain and second chain here. Insert your crochet hook on the second chain from the hook, and then draw up the loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then we will insert your crochet hook on the third chain from the hook and draw up the loop. Now we have 3 loops on your hook, and then we will free the first 2 loops, 1 and 2. Take your crochet hook out and remain the third one. And then we use I use my thumb to secure the first 2 loops, and then we are going to, this one gonna be the base of your crochet I-cord, and then we are going to draw up the loop. Pull to here, and then insert your crochet hook back on this loop and pull up and draw up the loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then insert your crochet hook on the last loop and pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and then we will repeat this process over and over again. So free up 2 loops, the first 2 loops, 1, 2. Take your crochet hook out and use my thumb to secure the first 2 loops, and then we pull up the loop. Insert your crochet hook, pull up the loop. Insert your crochet hook, pull up the loop. Now you can see we have 3 loops on your hook, and then we just keep repeating this. I will show you again. So free up first 2 loops, 1, 2. Take your crochet hook out, and then you're gonna use your thumb to secure it, or you can use any index finger to secure this first 2 loops. And then we're gonna draw up the loop. 1, insert your crochet hook, draw up the loop. 2, insert your crochet hook, draw up the loop 3. So it's gonna look like this. You can see in the back here. We just keep continue doing this. So free up 2 loop, the first 2 loop, and use your thumb to secure it, and then pull up the loop 1, insert your crochet hook back and pull up the loop 2, insert your crochet hook back and pull up the loop 3. So I will show you one more time, the last one. So free up first 2 loop and use your thumb to secure it, and then pull up the loop 1, 2, and 3. So now I will show you how I fasten off and finish the I-cord. After we have 3 loops on your hook, we just grab the yarn and pull 2 or 3 loops. So now we finish fasten off the I-cord. So you can see here how I fasten off, and the I-cord in the back will look like this one, and in the front, and you can make them as long as you like here in any color. And that's all we done. I hope you guys like the quick tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.